Hi, it's Cheryl here today. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope that you, if you haven't already, that you will subscribe to my channel and comment and like my videos. Today I have a quick Dollar Tree haul I want to share with you. I've had it in the closet and I wanted to bring it out so I could put it away. So it's no particular order, so let's get started. The first thing I got is this McTrader. It's peach salsa and it's mild. And it is an 8.5 ounce jar. So I haven't tried that before. And then I saw these freeze pops, Juicy Juice freezer pops. Come in berry, kiwi, strawberry, apple, and fruit punch. And there's 10 in that package. And then I got me some dry roasted peanuts. Must have been the day I was hungry. I hope everybody's doing fine. And okay, this is the lunchbox size Snyder's mini pretzels. It's a 6-pack, and it's probably not very many in the bag. Half ounce in each bag. So that's that bag. And other people had hauled this, and I thought it was a good deal, so when I saw it, I picked it up. I only got one. They didn't have many. I just picked up one. It's the Angel Soft Toilet Paper, 4 rolls. And then I saw this, and I thought it was pretty. It's the Nature Mandela book, and I won some coloring pencils, so this will be a fun project. So I can't wait to start coloring in this book. And let's see what else we got. Oh, Skeeter Beater. It's the citronella candle. And since we have mosquitoes here that can get kind of bad, this burns up to 26 hours and it's deep free. So I thought I'd pick that up, and it does smell like citronella. And then going back to when I was little, I saw this. It's the Fruit Stripe gum, and it's 5 juicy flavors: Wet n Wild melon, cherry, lemon, orange, peach smash gum. And there are, let's see, 4 in that pack. And then I saw they had the Caesar dry fruit filet mignon flavor. I figured I'd pick one up for emergency. And then I've got another dog leash because Teddy messed up the other one. And then I saw another pack of these lights, but this is the copper wire LED. So I picked that up. And this is the last thing that I picked up. And this is the 16 ounce Palmolive Essential Clean dishwasher liquid. I wanted to try this because the Dawn didn't seem to be working like it used to. So that's basically all I picked up this trip. So I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate everybody. And so don't forget to stay tuned. I'll be back with my gardening vlog shortly. All right, take care.